Sorry. Hi everyone. Today I will tell you about reasons for breakups between couples. Today I will tell you about the causes couples break up. There are so many reasons why couples break up. I will tell you about three main reasons presented in my essay. So my three main causes why couples break up. It's first, childhood history of trauma. Second, money troubles, and third cause, no space for growth. First, childhood trauma. It seems like a small thing, but in fact it plays a huge role in relationships. For example, in case with girl, she didn't have a father as a child. For example, she will constantly quarrel because of the lack of attention, misunderstandings, jealousy, constant control of her partner. All these problems stem from one thing, childhood trauma. And this leads to the breakdown of the relationships, as a relationship should have both psychologically formed people. So the second cause is money troubles. One of the big reasons couples break up, in my opinion, a strange one, is a money trouble. It is not even about poverty, but about both people's attitudes to money. For example, their level of earnings, savings, expenses, even their usual lifestyle, and even the amount of money needed for a comfortable standard of living. If all these criteria do not concede between two people in a relationship, they will usually find it difficult to live with each other, leading to a breakdown in the relationship. My third cause is no space for growth. All relationships are usually built differently. Some couples allow each other to grow and change, and it's the key to a healthy relationship to grow together both mentally and physically. And this usually happens by itself as partners motivate and support each other. In some relationships, one partner doesn't allow his or her partner to grow because he or she doesn't want to change, or because he or she sees his or her partner growing and strives to move forward, leaving him or her behind. And sometimes in such relationships, there is no common ground, no common goals, and interests. This also leads to relationship breakdowns. In conclusion, I have told you about the three main reasons that lead to the breakdown of a couple's relationship, which plays the biggest role in this. This can also be advice for people who are in a relationship about what not to do and what the best thing to do is. Thank you for your attention. The presentation is brought to you by Musa Ali.